Hi, my name is Zhang Lin. May I speak to Frank, please? Speaking. Hi, Frank. I'm calling to inform you that I can't keep our promises tomorrow. I'm sorry to hear that. What happened? One of our clients arrived earlier and I had to meet him at the airport. I see. Would it be possible to postpone the appointment? Sure. When is convenient for you? I wonder if we could put off our meeting unit next Wednesday. Yes, it's okay by me. Great. Oh, I haven't messed up your arrangement too much. Look at all. 想学更多吗？如果你想掌握更地道的商务英语，就加入我们的学习吧。我们有神奇的24节课，让你在2个月之后掌握地道流利的商务英语。赶紧过来报名吧。